Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Triumph Speed Triple RR. This is a relatively new model to Triumph's range, obviously based on the standard Speed Triple, which would be a naked bike. Lots of cosmetic enhancements and some chassis enhancements as well. This particular one's a 22 plate. It's covered just over 1,600 miles from new. It's in really nice condition. Finished in a maroon with grey accents. Looks absolutely stunning. Powered by the 1050, or it's not even a 1050, it's a 1200, beg your pardon, cc 3-cylinder engine, which is traditional for Triumphs. But this one makes 177 horsepower and 125 newton meters of torque, which is enough to tear a hole in the world. Absolutely stunning bit of kit, fully loaded with all the specification you can imagine. So starting at the front, we've got these lightweight Marchesini style wheels, Brembo 320mm floating discs with 4-pot radially mounted calipers from Brembo, ABS braided lines, Ohlins forks and RNG crush protectors as well. So you know, straight away at the front end, really good front end. Bike's wrapped in lots of carbon. This is all Triumph original fitment. This is not an aftermarket cheap knockoff. Really looks the part. Like I say, this bike is dripping with specification. LED indicators all around, Brembo master cylinder, crash protectors on the bike, as you can see there. Really subtle but really nice. Paint finish is fantastic, as you can see. Carbon fibre looks absolutely amazing. Cosmetically, this bike is super clean. Obviously it is a used bike, so you might find some signs of wear and tear, but this is really clean as far as used bikes go. It's fitted with a race fit exhaust, which is, as you will hear in a minute, rather loud. I think it looks great and sounds great, but we do have the original exhaust, so if it's not for you and not for your neighbours, you could change that back. Full Ohlins suspension, as I've mentioned. This is all electronically controlled, and I'll show you that in just a second. Really nice single-sided swing arm, as you can see, sort of completes the look, and it's got a pretty much brand new set of super coursers on there from Pirelli. Riding position is a little bit more sports bikey compared to the standard Speed Triple, as you can imagine. The bars are clip-ons rather than bars. It's got the colour-coded seat cowl on there. It's got a tail tidy as well, so it's really well specified. And you can also see we've got the Triumph tank protector on there as well. Around the front, very MV Augusta Super Veloce looking. You know, it's got this really retro front end. I really like this. I know it's a bit of a Marmite bike, but I really like it. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. And the Super Veloce is probably 4 times the price of this. And I would say the engine that's in this is probably 4 times the engine. So again, on this side, really good quality. Lots of carbon fibre, no marks, dings, dents, scratches or anything like that of any kind. You can see it's got the up and down quick shifter on there, which from Triumph is very good, I have to say. Obviously chain drive in really nice condition. All this stuff obviously gets checked during our pre-delivery anyway. It's fitted with a Triumph Optimate lead just there, so you can pop it on charge whenever you need to. Full service history, obviously a lack of mileage on this, so it's not really had to have a lot. You've got the keyless ignition, so we've got all the fobs. Previous owner has opted to leave this quad lock mount on here, which, I mean, these are not cheap in themselves. You can obviously see the fork tops here for the electronic suspension. Cruise control, all the rider modes are controlled using this function button here, and then the button on the right hand bar as well. Let's light the dash up for you. Really nice sort of start-up graphic. There's lots of different rider modes. As you go through the rider modes, that will subsequently change your suspension settings, traction control, ABS and so on and so forth. So I won't go into too much depth there. It's definitely one that you would want to read the manual. Nice little touches like, you know, backlit switches and stuff like that are really cool. Got heated grips on the bike as standard as well. So it's absolutely fully loaded considering it's aimed at the kind of sportier market. Let's give her a start up for you. Need to pull the clutch in. It sounds absolutely biblical. Personally, I would leave that on, but that's entirely up to you. If you do want the original cam fitted, we can absolutely do that for you. The bike's going to come with free delivery within England and Wales. We do deliver to Scotland for a small charge. We can offer finance and part exchange, all the usual dealer facilities. So if that's of interest to you, or if you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the social medias. Pick up the phone and ask us any questions that you've got, or feel free to drop in and try the bike on for size. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.